Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to set up double press to open my flashlight. So when I'm double press my lock button, then open my flashlight. Okay, and double press to turn off. So now I'm provide how can easily set up. Open your settings, scroll down, press on display, scroll down, click on to side button and make sure to turn on, and you just select flashlight, or if you want to select any on camera, voice record, or if you want to select any apps, like select any apps. Okay, select flashing and double press. Now it's turn on, double press, turn off.